Obambe njengongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uthi izigilamkhuba zamanje sezenza ubugebengu obusezingeni eliphezulu nokubonakala ngathi zingomacaphuna kusale.
These are syndicates that are well armed. They have financial resources. These are businesses accumulating large amounts of money. They have access to guns. They are supplying drugs.
Uthi amaphoyisa akuwona okumele agxekwe ngalokhu.
The problem of gang violence is not the result of inadequate policing, but the solution to gang violence requires enhanced intelligence-driven policing.
UKhatshaliya ukusho lokhu nje ngoLwesihlanu kwadutshulwa kwabulawa umuntu emagcekeni enkantolo yemantshi yase-Athlone eKapa. Isigameko sangoLwesihlanu bekungesona esokuqala ezinkantolo zaseKapa njengoba ngoMbasa kuwo lo nyaka kwaba nesinye isigameko sokudubula enkantolo yemantshi eWynberg.